The standardized staining process completes in a single firing, delivering efficient and consistent results. Sandblast the crown. Clean and dry thoroughly. Prepare necessary staining materials and tools in advance. Mix the paste while using a non-metal spatula to achieve a uniform consistency. Mix glaze paste with glaze liquid to the shown viscosity. Selected stains. Dilute with glaze liquid if needed. Apply a thin glaze as base. The glaze serves as a base layer, sealing surface micropores to improve staining stability and control. Apply shade 1 to the cervical 1/3, blending toward the incisal area. Apply blue haze to the mesial and distal incisal aspects to enhance translucency. Use milk white to highlight the developmental depressions between the lobes. Use coffee to define the main body of the lobes. Use light lavender to enhance the lobes. Apply milk white along the incisal edge to create a halo effect. Fire according to the recommended firing program. After firing, the restoration exhibits a natural and aesthetic appearance.